Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Partnero Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and click on it. Use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. And when you find the application, just click on it. From this interface, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. And when the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. And on this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which has information about the application. Next is the tutorials tab, where you can find resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Partnero account online and click on Programs. From there, create program and choose any of these options. Next, give the program a name and select your email marketing service here. When that's done, click on Create. Now the program has been created. The next thing we want to do is to click on Integrations. Scroll down and click on Create API Key. Give the API key a name and create. There, just copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. The application has been set up successfully. Up next is the support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made in the application by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.